Hello everyone, so today I'm running my Raspberry Pi 4 with the Raspbian operating system, and I'm going to show you some of the limitations with USB boot. So right now my Raspberry Pi is using that hard drive through a USB 3 port at the back, which you see right there is connected here. That's a USB 3 port, and it's connected to that hard drive right here, and it's booting to through the hard drive. There is no SD card on it, as you can see. And I have the latest update for my firmware. It's VC. Kind of hard to do with one hand, so I'll show you. It is the latest version. It's the one for December 11th 2020. So the problem happens, I'm able to boot from it when I turn it on, when I power it on. However, when I do this and reboot it, you run into some problems. You can't just reboot it and restart it. See, right now it's rebooting, and this is a problem that you run into. You can't reboot from it unless you go back to the hard drive, turn it off physically, so the hard drive is off. So then now I'm going to turn the hard drive back on. Now it's looking for it. I'm going to turn the hard drive back on. So this is a powered USB hub. So now when I turn it back on, I'm able to reboot into my operating system. See? So this is one of the limitations you have with USB boot with the Raspberry Pi 4. So now it's booting into the operating system and everything is fine. So this is what you just have to keep in mind. It's not like your desktop computer where you just or other types of single board computers that have a SATA connector or something where you could boot into a hard drive. It's just, you just have to turn it off or unplug it and plug it back in, and then you will be able to boot into Windows. I'm sorry, not Windows, Raspbian or any other operating system you're using. I'm just going to turn it off. Shut down. And the computer is off. And then I go here and I turn this hard drive off. That's basically it. So yeah, it's not the USB boot thing for Raspberry Pi 4 is far from perfect. There's some limitations to it, but if you can go around it, I guess you'd be okay. So anyways, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975, signing out.